got a Honda Ridgeline premium hard folding bed cover. This is a top of the line option. If you drive a Ridgeline, it's an UnderCover Armor Flex. Check out the nice Line-X finish. Nice and scratch resistant for when you throw stuff on top, which this cover can hold up to 400 pounds of distributed weight. So it's all locked with your tailgate. Can't get in until you unlock the tailgate, pull the cable each time, and then you get the full bed access. So the cover has prop rods, locks straight up, doesn't lean against the cab, full bed. Low profile. Cover locks on its own. All you got to do is lock up the back and it's secure and ready to go. Visit truckaccessplus.com. Get yours today. Free shipping. Visit our location for same-day install while you wait in 1 hour.